Forgotten username recovery failed on NUS Fix. If you've tried to recover your username on the NUS app and the process keeps failing, don't panic, you're definitely not alone. Most people assume uses a traditional username system, but here's the surprising truth: accounts in the US don't actually use usernames at all. Instead, your login credentials are tied directly to your registered email, address or phone number. When users try to recover a username, they often enter incorrect or unregistered details, which is why the recovery fails. So, the first step is to make sure you're using the exact email you registered with when opening your account. Even one small typo or using an old address can cause the system to reject the recovery attempt. If you can't remember which email you used, search your inbox for old messages, look for phrases like "welcome to" or "your account has been verified." This will confirm your registered address. Once you have the correct email, go back to the app or website and choose Forgot Password. Enter that same email and we'll send you a secure link to reset your login details. If you never receive the link, check your spam folder or any filters in your email settings that might block automated messages. If you've changed your phone number or email since opening your account, the best option is to contact customer support. I'll verify your identity using personal details and recent transaction information before restoring access. Most people get this step wrong by continuously retrying the wrong recovery option, but once you use your registered email and the correct reset process, your access should be restored in minutes. So, if your forgotten username recovery failed on NUS, remember, it's not about the username. It's all about confirming your email and verifying your identity. Follow these steps, and you'll be back in control of your account quickly and safely.